Hi Ipsters, I'm Julie and I'm a nail artist living here in LA, and I love painting my nails, but I hate waiting for them to dry. I'm sure we've all been there where we're waiting for them to dry, we're frantically waving our hands around, and as soon as you go to touch something, you smudge them. So today I'm going to teach you my tips and tricks to get your nails to dry faster so you don't have to worry about smudges ever again. The key to this one is to make sure you get everything ready beforehand, because you're not going to want to grab ice cubes with wet polish. So first start out with a bowl of cold water and drop a few ice cubes in it. So let this sit while you paint your nails, and then you're going to dip the back of your hand in the water without getting your nails wet. And this is going to cool down your body temperature and your nails are going to dry faster. This trick is super easy because all you have to do is go into your bathroom and grab out your hairdryer. So make sure to hold down the cool air button while you're drying your nails. Hold the dryer a few inches away because holding it too close can actually push the polish. It should only take a minute or two on cold to fully dry your nails. I can even rub them and they won't smudge. The next trick I know involves going into the kitchen. Go and grab some Pam cooking spray or olive oil and even a snack. Take the Pam cooking spray and spray it a couple inches from your hand. Make sure you do this over the sink or a couple paper towels because it can get pretty messy. All you have to do is put some olive oil in the cap or even a small container, and you're just going to dip each finger in it. This gives it much more of a, let's say, slip, which makes it harder for the nails to smudge. These tricks will also help moisturize your hands too. And don't forget to rub them in and then wash your hands after to get the excess off. And a fun fact, olive oil is actually one of the few oils where the molecules are small enough to penetrate the nail plate. Everyone thinks that coconut oil is small enough to do that, but it actually doesn't. Next, I want to introduce you to these orally quick dry drops. You're going to want to wait 1 minute after painting your nails to apply these. Cover each nail with 1 to 2 drops, and then after 1 minute, they should be dry to the touch. And then after 3 minutes, they should be completely dry. Last but not least, I have the OPI Rapid Drying Nail Polish Mist. You can find polish drying products at any beauty store. You can mist on the product about 45 seconds after you finish painting the last coat on your nails. You will want to hold it a couple of inches away so it doesn't become too watery on your polish. Give it a minute to soak in and then you're good to go. And that's it. I know these nail polish hacks have saved me a ton of time, and I hope they save you time too.